early this morning to go meet Matt and Nick. Today is going to be our first official work day on the Mini. We try to get the other two guys, Jordan and Carter, as well, but Jordan's unavailable on Sundays and Carter had a bachelor party or something, I think, this weekend. Sundays is one of the only days that we're able to use a lift at either Nick's or Carter's shop because the shops are closed, so it's kind of inconvenient that, you know, it just didn't work out that all five, we were trying to get all five guys together today, but we did the best we could. We're planning on trying to get most of the upgrades installed, like the supercharger pulley, AC delete, all that type of stuff. I think we also found a guy who wants to buy the radio, so that'll help out a lot as well. You know, for maybe getting a new set of tires or something like that. But yeah, anyway, we're excited and ready to get the Mini modified, and after we get everything on today, the only thing left to do would be to finish all the safety requirements, like the fire suppression system and obviously the cage and everything. But after that, I mean, we're pretty much ready to rock and roll. So got the front off here. Got the man, the myth, the legend here, Nick, working on taking off the belt tensioner. This is going to determine how the rest of our day goes. Taking off the supercharger pulley.
Tight.
Luckily, the old pulley came off no problem. Got the Craven Speed 15% pulley here. Got the AC delete pulley installed.
Okay, so what do we need to do here?
Getting ready to install the oil baffle. Got the new oil pan gasket here. Matt went to AutoZone to get a few things, get some more oil, and me and Nick are about to pull this oil pan off and get going on it. Just got the oil baffle in. See the crank up in there, all the rods. What's your take on everything, Nick?
Going pretty smooth, too smooth.
Too smooth. Pulled out in the sun, just changed the coolant over from regular coolant over to water, like what Lemons requires. Finished all the mods today. We weren't able to get the crank pulley off because we didn't have M6 bolts, but that will be done soon. Everything else is pretty much done, and we're ready to test it out. The new pulley. See how it handles. Me and Matt sitting at the tax office here trying to finish all the paperwork for our street legal Mini Cooper race car. Got some decals in from Oregon Design Company. Shout out to them. Here's Matt. Here's the focal point of our Bradley Cooper Mini Cooper race car. Boom.
Right on the hood.
It's going on nice and easy, nice and smooth. Oregon Design Company. They also hooked me up on my snowboarding helmet.
Yeah, buddy.
Check them out. Here we go.
Decaled
this is
up.
a winner right there.
Yep.
You're gonna be seeing that checkered flag all over the finish line.
There you go.
Shameless plug. Oregon Design Company hooked us up. They got the Bradley Cooper hood emblem, our Guardian Angel here, plus the side decals exactly how we want it. And I'll show you a picture of what he did with my snowboarding helmet. Take care of anything you want decal wise. Took it out for a test drive after we bled the system from air after doing all the work. Got the decal on, Oregon Design Company that hooked us up. Getting all the looks on the street. 2 grown men driving in a Mini Cooper with the top down, hair blowing in the wind. All the looks.